million bathroom versus $100 million bathroom. This one's pretty nice. The sink looks good, but you know, and the toilet's kind of in like a little closet. $15 million bathroom. This one has a dog. For some reason, there's a hole people can see it. I don't know if I'd be comfortable walking around naked. Now the $45 million bathroom. So big. At this price point, you get a couch in the bathroom.
This looks like an apartment because there's a shower.
I need new friends. And now the $100 million house bathroom. Come on in. Holy crap. How do we even start to break this down? There's a 20-person shower. The bathtub can only fit one person. You gotta clap to turn on the lights. This is a nice bathroom.
It looks like a Louis Vuitton store.
Hold up. Most important part of the bathroom. Why does the toilet look like an egg?
What the heck?
दोस्तों मेरे 92 992 93 94 95 कांग्रेचुलेशन टू 1K सब्सक्राइब यस गुड हो गया भाई
Guess the gift and you win it.
A motorcycle? I can open it?
Of course. It's actually 100 iPhones.
Sorry, Jake. How did you not know?
Jake, I'll give you another shot. Guess this gift and you win it.
Think about it, though. This still seems like a trick.
Final guess?
Is this like a TV made of iPhones?
Oh.
What would make you think this is iPhone? Clearly TV.
One final chance.
Look at this.
There's two choices. iPhones in the shape of a car or a car.
I need your final answer. What is the gift?
Car made out of iPhones.
Open it up.
No! How many iPhones do you think we have?
It's not a $35,000 car, but here's an iPhone.
Thank you.
Let's see how many buses you can stack on top of each other. Who lets us do this? Lower the bus!
Look at how smooth this is.
Now we have 2 buses.
Based on this smooth landing, I think easily 5 buses.
I'm gonna predict 5.
Now let's try a third one. And don't worry, we have plenty of buses. We won't run out.
That tire right there is just barely on. It should be fine.
Oh! I can't believe that worked.
We'll count.
All right, we now have 3. Let's see if we can get a 4th. This is kind of dangerous. Not quite sure what to expect. Lower the bus! Getting close. Go a little bit lower. Perfect, that's good. Oh. That fell before I could even place that one.
दोस्तों ये एक नॉर्थ सिया की जगह जाते हैं ये जहाज बेड़िया समुद्र में जा रहे हैं ये इसके जंजीर खोल रहे हैं देखिए ये देखिए समुद्र की चोलियाँ समुद्र एक डेंजरस होता है भाई ये कोई मजाक नहीं होता ये देखें अल्लाह अल्लाह अकबर ये देखिए समुद्र में वेल्डिंग कर रहा है ये जगह है क्या है इसका पता नहीं भाई ये छोलियाँ देखें समुद्र की समुद्र एक तूफान होता है वो डेंजरस और ख़तरनाक होता है ये देखें ये तूफान है समुद्री तूफान ये समुद्री बेड़े हैं ये समुद्री तूफान आ रहा है ये तूफान देखें भाई अल्लाह अल्लाह ये देखें ये जगह है कहाँ पर
How long does it take to walk up one of the tallest buildings in the world? Starting with this first step, Casey and I are gonna find out. Honestly, this is like a walk in the park. We just hit the 6th floor.
I feel great. This is easy.
Look at this little spring in your step. Now we're talking. Third of the way.
Why is walking upstairs so hard? I'm feeling muscles I didn't know I had.
All right, only 50 more floors, Jimmy.
Okay. Oh.
He's doing great.
I regret this.
How you feeling?
Number 70. The grind continues.
Floor 80, feeling strong.
And after 6 more floors,
Oh my gosh. Look how much more we have to climb.
Oh, that's not bad.
Hold on.
You got it, Jim.
We're almost there, Jim.
Keep going.
This is the easiest thing I've ever done. There's one more floor. Oh, why is it so steep? Come on, Jimmy!